You say, what is it that you want? You've got everything that a woman could ever need in life. I got a closet full of minks, chinchillas. I got a bureau full of diamonds. I can change 4 times a day if I want to. You even trying to eat lobster and drink champagne. Now, you know that ain't your groove. But you strictly a collard green and cornbread baby. Now, you know if anybody knows, I know.